So in this section of this Photoshop t-shirt design course, we will add shapes and give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. So let's get started. To add a new shape, I just simply from the left side, I just simply click and hold on this icon and select custom shape. And then from this drop down menu, here we see bunch of different shapes. This time I simply choose this raindrop shape. I just select this one and then holding shift and dragging on this corner, I just simply draw a raindrop shape and click on this fill color and set color in black. And after that I just simply navigate to the move tool and press Ctrl T to activate this transform mode. And after that I just simply resize it a little bit and then hit on done. Now to copy this shape, I just simply press Alt and click and drag it to the right and press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode and resize it a little bit. And using this move tool, I just simply set it right here. Alright, now from the layer panel, I choose the shape 1 and shape 1 copy, and using this move tool, I simply set it here. After that, to copy these two shapes, from the layer panel select these two shapes and then press Alt and click and drag it to the right. And after that I just simply press Ctrl T and then right click on it and hit on flip horizontal. Alright, and finally I just simply hit on done. So our t-shirt designing is now complete. To export this, I just simply hide my background layer and then go to File, Export and hit on Save for Web. And here we see the preview. Now under preset, I choose PNG 24 and make sure that you check this transparency to get this transparent background. And from this image size, choose your desired width and height. This time I type width 4500 pixels and set height 5400 pixels. And finally I just simply hit on save. This time I choose destination folder desktop and type file name Wolf T-shirt and hit on save. Our file is processing. Wait for a moment. So our processing is done. And here it is. Our t-shirt design with transparent background. Excellent, right? Look, we just complete our design using the vector from Vexels.com and by adding some text and shapes. And it takes less than 10 minutes, right? So using these techniques and use your creativity, hopefully you will able to create much more amazing t-shirts like this one. Thank you so much for watching.